Hello guys, this is Nikhil Bansal from Illuminate Minds. So over here in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to find the angle between the two hands of the clock when the time is given as an input to us. Okay, so let's assume that the time given to us as mentioned in this clock is 6:30. So what we need to do is we need to find out the angle between the two hands of the clock. Correct. So the input will be given in two inputs will be provided to us. One is hours in the term of 0 to 1 to 12 and minutes in the range from 0 to 59. Correct. Now it seems to be a simple problem. Now if we look at our hand movement, so our hand moves. So let's look at this time 6:30. Let's take an example. So the overall circle is of 360 degree. I hope all of you understand this. So if I calculate the time from 12 to 6 for our hand, the time given to us is 6:30. So the R hand has traveled from 12 to 6, right? From here to here. And this is how much? This is 30 degree into 6. And it has moved a little bit more, right? This place, correct? So I need to find out this also. This is nothing but whatever the minute hand has traveled in this 30 degree into 0.5. So 30 degree into 0.5 is how much? 15 degree. This is what the total degrees that the R hand has moved. Right. So since the minute hand is the input is given as 6 over here and 30 is over here. So the total degrees traveled by R hand is 30 into 6, the movement from 12 to 6 of R hand. And this is 6 for us, this is H for us, and this 30 is M for us. Correct. So this is the total movement of the R hand. What about the minute hand? Minute hand has traveled how much? Minutes into 60. So 6. That means 30 into 6. So the minute hand has traveled from 12 to 6. That means the value of M as an input is 30. So 30 into 6 is the total movement of degrees or total degrees covered by minute hand. So now if we take the absolute difference of these two, we will be able to find the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand of the clocks. So let's start writing the code for this one, guys. Hello guys, so this program is all about clocks. So I will write angle between two hands of the clock, right? So I will take two inputs on the user. One is in terms of number of hours, and this time I will deliberately try to make these values float, right? Because degrees can be in decimals also. So float input, enter the input the number of hours. You need to give clear cut instructions. Input the hours. Example 04 to 04 or 012, right? Right. Or if you want to describe it in more detail, write the range will be from 01 to 12. Correct. Now, similarly, I need y. So I will copy paste this. So in this case, the range will be from 00 to 59. You need to describe this. Right, example could be 00 or 59. And let's change this x to y. So we have got the input in terms of number of hours and number of minutes, right? Now what we need to find is, we need to find angle covered by R hand till now. So angle covered by R hand till now, as I told in the theory, will be x into 30°. That's the number of hours it has completed, plus the portion it has covered because of the movement of the minute hand after the xth hour. I hope you're getting my point. So if supposedly the time is 4:30, so that means the value of x will be 4, right? And the value of y will be 30. So x into 30, it has moved from 12 to 4. So 4 into 30 plus the movement it has occurred because of this 30° of movement post 30 minutes of movement post 4 o'clock. So this will be how much? This will be for each movement of a minute hand, it will move by 0.5 degree. Right? It will create a difference, or it will create a movement of 0.5 degree in angle hand. R hand, sorry. And similarly, angle covered by minute hand from starting till now is nothing. For every movement of it, it has covered 6 degrees. So 6 into y will give me the angle. That's it. So now what I need to do is, we need to find out, let's say, E, which is equal to absolute value, because R hand can be ahead of minute hand or vice versa. So what I need to ensure is that I take the ABS of these two, angle H minus angle M. That's it. I need to print the value of E. So print E and write down all, because there are two possible answers. E is the smallest answer in terms of degree. There's another answer possible, which is 360 minus E. If you want to print both the angles, that also is possible. You can print 360 minus E also. So E degrees is the smallest angle between the two hands of the clock. I hope it's okay. So let's try for various outputs. Input the number of hours. The range will be from 0 to 1. Let's try 0, 4, and let's do 10. 65.0. Let's try a little difficult one. This time let's do it 05, 37. Yes, absolutely correct. Right. So that's it, guys. Okay.